Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the issue that your Samsung Galaxy A3 from 2017 fingerprint sensor doesn't work correctly. So at first I do recommend to dry your finger here with, for example, this microfiber cloth, or with just a paper towel, everything. Just dry the cloth. Then dry the fingerprint sensor, which is here in this home button. And it should work now perfectly fine. I do recommend the microfiber cloth because it's the best thing for cleaning the phones and every other things actually. And now you can try to unlock your phone. The drier the sensor is and the drier the phone and the finger is, the better these things work with each other. If that didn't work for you, you have to enter the settings. Then you have to just delete all the fingerprint fingers and add new ones. So here now we have to scroll down to the lock screen, and here we have to now scroll down till we see fingerprint scanner. Tap that and it will redirect us to fingerprint security. Tap OK and set the at first pattern. I didn't have the pattern. Let me set the L, which is the most common one, very quickly. And here now we can add the fingerprint. Just place the finger on the home key and lift it. It's easy. It's not that correct as on the newer phones. It's 8 years since this phone was released. As you can see, wipe home key and try again. That's what I was talking about, the dry sensor. Now we can scan your fingerprint, we can click continue and do the same. I am doing it to show you. Now we can tap it done, and here now we can tap done again to just exit that. Here we can now close it. And if we've added a new fingerprint, we can just hold our finger on it. And now it should work. And I do recommend to do the new fingerprint, more carefully than I did, because it's not that correct and exact. And so yeah. Try putting your finger in different angles so that every single thing on your finger is correctly placed. Now you can check if your fingerprint sensor does work. So try turning off your phone, maybe not putting your phone to sleep like that, and try if that works. As you can see, mine works sometimes, because I did it very uncareful way, not a very uncareful way. As you can see, mine works. If that didn't work for you, you have to do the soft reset of the device. So you have to hold either hold the power button and tap restart here, or hold the power button till the phone turns off automatically. It will take, for example, 10 to 15 seconds. Now, as you can see, our phone is not turned off because it doesn't work. Why? I don't know why. It should work for us. Now, as you can see, I don't know why it's asking us for the code, but let's do so and turn off our phone. That's how to do a soft reset. Now the phone should be turned on automatically, and if that didn't help you, you have to do the factory reset of your phone. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.